Hurricanes can be extremely destructive, but having the right hurricane protection system can help protect your home from damage. In order for hurricane shutters to work properly, they must be installed correctly. This video covers basic methods for installing your storm protection shutters. One of the most important points to remember about storm shutters is you should never wait until the last minute to install or secure your shutters. As a storm gets closer and wind speeds increase, so does the potential risk for injury. If you have never used your hurricane protection system before, it's a good idea to practice installing or securing the entire system at least once prior to any threat of a hurricane. This will allow you to familiarize yourself with your shutters when there's no stress or pressure. It also will help you know how much time you'll need to allow for installation if a hurricane threatens your home or business. To install your hurricane panels correctly, you'll need a few common tools. These generally include a screwdriver, a battery-powered drill, and a number 3 Phillips head screw tip. Depending on the style of your home, you may need a step ladder or an extension ladder. Always use a ladder which is in good working condition and that is rated to hold your weight plus the weight of the shutter. Safety is a primary concern when installing hurricane panels. Here are a few simple tips to help you stay safe during the process. Make sure that you and at least one helper are physically able to carry and install panels and climb a ladder. If you are not able to safely and comfortably lift 30 pounds with your arms, you shouldn't attempt to install your shutters. Also, never attempt to install your shutters if you are taking medication that makes you sleepy or disoriented. When handling hurricane panels, be sure to wear gloves, since metal can easily cause cuts and scrapes to your skin. It is extremely important that you only lift and carry one panel at a time to avoid injury. You should also wear long pants and a long-sleeve shirt. Always wear closed-toed shoes, never sandals. And always wear safety glasses during the installation process. When using a ladder, be sure it is sturdy and secure, and never climb beyond the manufacturer's recommended height restrictions. Make sure that the ladder is on level and stable ground, and have someone hold the base of the ladder for extra support. Also, be sure to maintain a safe distance of at least 15 feet from all power lines before and after the storm. Finally, if you own a 2-story house, be sure to hang the second-story panels first. As a storm approaches, the outer bands from the storm could produce significant wind gusts that could make hanging your upstairs panels more difficult and more dangerous. To begin the installation process, you'll need to know which panels cover which openings of your house. To do this, look at the diagram supplied with your panels. Match the numbers on the panels with the numbers on the diagram. Place the panels for each opening on the ground near that opening. Be sure to lay the panels flat on the ground. Never stack the panels against the house, since they could fall and cause injury. Before hanging your shutters, you must first determine if you have a direct mount system or a track system. Direct mount or trackless systems either have a threaded stud protruding from the wall or screws that must be loosened. Track systems consist of headers, also known as channels, slide bolt tracks, or studded angle. Your house may have a combination of these types of mounting options. If you have a direct mount or trackless system, you'll need to loosen the screws around the opening so that the head of the screw is about a ½ inch from the wall. Once all of the screws are loosened, begin hanging the panels starting from the left if hanging vertically, or from the bottom if hanging horizontally. There are several different types of screws used on direct mount systems. If the head of the screw is too large for the keyhole in the panel to fit over, you must first remove the screw from the wall before installing the panel. Some systems require keyhole washers. If you are unsure whether or not your system requires keyhole washers to be used, check with your hurricane shutter installation company. When the first panel is in position, place a keyhole washer, if required, between the head of the first screw and the panel. Then tighten the screw. Tighten the panel, making sure the outer flanges overlap on both panels and that the keyholes line up. Then tighten the screw. Continue to use keyhole washers if required. Follow these steps until you have covered the entire opening. Be sure to use keyhole washers when required, as they are a critical element to ensure proper performance of your hurricane protection system. If your shutters are mounted with tracks, you'll need to first clean out the channels in order to prepare for installation. A damp cloth or a hose can quickly remove debris. If your track system requires bolts to be slid in place, slide a bolt into the channel approximately 1 inch from the left end. Then place bolts approximately 12 inches apart, with the last bolt approximately 1 inch from the right end. Some opening may have half panels, which are only half as wide, only half a panel. If this is the case, the spacing on one set of bolts must be 6 inches instead of 12 to allow the half panel to be installed. Starting from your left, lift the first panel and slide it into the header or over the protruding bolts at the top of the opening panel with the end of the tracks so that the bottom bolts protrude through the keyhole. If required, place a keyhole washer over the bolt on the outside of the panel. Then place a wing nut on the bolt and tighten. Now place the next panel into the header or protruding stud at the top. The outer flanges on both panels should overlap with the bolt protruding through both keyholes. Continue to secure panels with wing nuts, and be sure to use keyhole washers if required. Repeat this process until the entire opening is completely protected. If your hurricane protection system came with removable tracks, remove each screw from the wall or floor, making sure not to get dirt or debris in the hole. Spray lubricant inside of each hole before placing the track in position. Place a screw into each hole, tightening by hand to hold it in place. Once the track is in place, tighten all screws. Then follow the same procedure as described earlier to install the panels. If you own a 2-story home, it is strongly recommended that you have a helper assist you on the upper windows. Make sure that your helper is also wearing gloves, safety glasses, closed-toed shoes, a long-sleeve shirt, and long pants in order to avoid injury. Also, your helper should be able to safely and comfortably lift at least 30 pounds. There are 2 possible methods for installing second-story panels. Some systems can be installed from inside the house. Others require the use of a ladder. If your second-story panels require a ladder for installation, it may be possible to pass the panels to the installer through the appropriate opening. If using this method, start by carrying the panels for the second story upstairs, inside the house, one at a time. Lay them flat on the floor in their appropriate rooms. Be sure to place a protective barrier underneath the panels so they don't damage your floor. Next, position a ladder directly beneath the second-story opening on the outside of the house. Have the person inside the house hand the panels one at a time to the person on the ladder. If you choose not to pass the panels through the appropriate opening, never carry more than one panel up the ladder at a time. The actual installation techniques are the same as those we just described for the various types of shutter systems. Some systems are designed to allow the homeowner to install panels on a second-story opening from inside the house. If you are hanging panels from inside the house, begin installing the panels from the left and continue until just before the center of the window. After placing each panel in the header and track, carefully reach outside the opening and secure the panel with a wing nut and a keyhole washer if required. Now begin installing panels on the right side. Once you are at the center of the opening, place the specially designed center panel in position and pull the chains toward you, making sure the bolts protrude through the holes of the adjacent panels on both sides. Then add wing nuts and tighten. If you have accordion shutters installed on your home, you may be able to close them from the inside. Start by releasing the shutters from their fixed position so they can slide freely across the opening. It is important to always pull your accordions from the middle, not from the bottom. One side of your accordion system will have a key lock or thumb screw. Extend this side towards the center of the opening as far as the accordion will go. Hold the shutter firmly in position, while pulling the opposite side from the middle towards the center of the opening until it is close to the side with key lock or thumb screw. Overlap the center mates and insert fully. Be sure that the center mates are properly engaged. If your center mates are not properly engaged, your system could fail during a storm. If you are unsure how to properly secure your accordion shutters or experience any problems during the installation process, be sure to contact your shutter installation company prior to the threat of a storm. Once the center mates are properly engaged, secure your system by fully depressing the key lock or fully tightening the thumb screw. If you are closing your accordion shutters from the outside, follow the same procedure just described, but from the outside of your house. You can help make the installation process go faster and easier by properly maintaining your hurricane protection system. A key part of that maintenance routine is to lubricate all screws, openings, and bolts at least once a year. If you have accordion shutters, be sure to lubricate the wheels, nylon bushings, and locks or thumb screws, and to clean the tracks at least once a year to keep the system operating properly. Contact your hurricane shutter installation company for recommended lubricants. For panel systems, be sure to wipe off any dirt and moisture from the panels before storing them in a dry area. By properly maintaining and storing your shutter components, by practicing your installation and getting an early start, and by observing the proper safety precautions, you can help take a lot of the stress and worry out of storm preparation. Thank you for watching, and have a safe hurricane season.